God. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the lot.
Is that thunder? Is it thundering out there? At least it's not raining. If it was raining out there, we'd be in serious trouble. Oh. Hey guys, in car number 3, I need everyone in car number 3 to do me a big favor. I can't see the top of the hill like you people in car number 3 can. If you see water coming down the hill, I need you guys back there to scream really loud. And since we're in Mexico, you have to scream in Spanish. Just make lots of noise back there. En español. Been doing that since 1969. This is what the flood looks like on film, by the way.